Let me show you how we can design a calendar template in Affinity Publisher. So here I am, I have created this simple document with 13 blank pages. The top of the page will be for a picture, so for now we can put a special picture frame. So I just grab a picture frame from the tool panel on the left. Let's say it will cover half of this page, and now I can easily put the image inside just by pressing here, replace image. Alright, so I got space for my image. Below the image I will put the name of the month. For that I can use the artistic text tool here. January, make it a bit larger, maybe 72 points, and of course we can adjust the font. And we can change the color using the color panel on the right. If you prefer the color wheel that you may remember from Affinity Designer, you can change to the wheel in any moment. Here it is. Alright, now I'm going to align to the center and place the name of the month around here. Let's zoom in a bit. I'm going to press Command plus to zoom in. You can also use Navigator here to zoom in and out. And now it's time for our weeks and days. We're going to use a table tool for that. So grab the table tool here from the list on the left again. And we're going to draw a table. We will need 7 columns. 7 columns and maybe 5 rows will do. Alright, don't worry, you can always add new rows and columns if you didn't draw it perfectly in the first go. And now I can scale it to cover this whole area. You know what? I will actually add one extra row, so I got space to write down the day of the week. I almost forget about that. Alright, so here's our basic table, and now in the top row I will just write down days of the week. I can select all of them and then make some adjustments to the size, font and color if I like. I'll go with the 18. Alright, and then for the rest of this table we simply fill this in with days of the month. So in case of 2025 we start on the 1st January on Wednesday. Alright, I simply type in numbers for each cell, and again we can select them and make some necessary changes to our font, style and color of the letters. Don't make them too large because we still want to have space in those cells, because maybe you want to mark some holidays, birthdays and all that stuff in your personal calendar, so left some space there. We can change the backdrop color for Sunday and Saturday. And we successfully create a template for January. And we don't need to start from scratch for February. We simply can copy this whole template. So I select all, Command C to copy, go to the next page, Command V to paste. And now I simply change the month name. And then I must make some adjustments for those days of the week, right? So February 1st is on Saturday, so I need to reorganize that. We can clear those old numbers and start typing from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got another month finished. And again, I will do the same thing. I will just copy the whole thing to next page. And do the March. Same way. Let me just skip to the very end to December so we can see the whole template. Alright, and we are done with all 12 months. If I zoom out now, you can see all of the pages. Following the same template, we got space for the image at the top. Simply click on that frame and then replace the image. We got name of the month and then the table showing all of the days in that month. Of course, you can customize everything here. Everything is editable. Everything is native to Affinity Publisher. If you don't have time to set up the whole calendar all by yourself, I will drop the link to this file you can see right now in this tutorial. The link will be in the description. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.